Guard the shrapnel. That'll save us. You got a trash can. Yeah, her dad would have been like, these trucks look better than mine. Right? They do. They got better ones than last year. Especially that S10. Man, that's in good shape. Oh, they're only doing 4 at a time? I don't know. Oh, they didn't even close it off. Huh? He won, yeah. Hey, your daddy's gonna build you one of these. Don't cry, there's no crying here, you. Hello. It still looks like it's in better shape than your dad. Oh, no wonder he was so pissed. You know that? It still looks in better shape than her dad. Yeah. He would be real pissed.